Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. Today we will discuss the practical common base input characteristics. So go to list of experiment and then click on BJT common base characteristics. Go to simulation and click on BJT input characteristics. So in this tutorial we will discuss the input characteristics of a bipolar junction transistor for common base configuration. So this is the circuit diagram of bipolar junction transistor for common base configuration. Base terminal, that is common between input and output. So the input part is emitter and base, and output is collector and base. The schematic of the common base configuration has two voltmeters to measure the voltage between emitter and base, and at the outside collector and emitter. Two emitter for IE and IC, two bias voltages VEE and VCC, and two rheostats RH1 and RH2 to change the voltages VBE and VCE. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of the CB input characteristic. First we have to set the value of RH1 and RH2 to 1 ohm. Then we have to set the value of VCB to 1 volt with the help of RH2. So by varying the value of rheostat RH2 we can set the value of VCB to 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt. Initially we have to set it to 1 volt. Similarly we can change the value of VBE with the help of rheostat RH1. Then we have to measure the value of input current, that is IE. Then click on plot to plot our input current and input voltage characteristics of common base configuration. One point that we have to remember in the input characteristic curve is that we are drawing a graph between input current, that is IE, and input voltage, that is VBE, by keeping the value of VCB as a constant. So for different constant values of VCB we are drawing a relationship between IE and VBE. So let's start. First we have to set the value of RH1 to 1, similarly for RH2 to 1. Then we have to set the value of VCB to 1 volt. So just change the value, set it to 1 volt. Now we have to change the value of VBE and measure the emitter current and add these values to our experimental table. So this is our experimental table: base emitter voltage and emitter current, that is in milliampere. Add this value to our experimental table. Now again change the VBE to some another value, measure emitter current. For a graph between IE and VBE we required at least 8 or 10 values, so we will vary RH1, measure IE, and we will put approx 8 or 10 values in our experimental table. This is all for a collector to base voltage, that VBC is constant. So just remember this point, we have to put the value of VCB as a constant. Now just click on plot. So this is a graph between IE and VBE for a constant value of VCB. So this is basically the simulation of bipolar junction transistor for common base configuration. We can draw same characteristic, means the graph between IE and VBE for some different value of VCB like 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt and so on. Thank you.